naging emosyonal na nang maiwan sa laban, katapat ang malapit na kaibigang si Josh kung saan pareho silang nasa huling bola na.
Kapangunahan ng ganyan.
Easy.
Alam ko may emotions would get in the way.
Go. Laban.
Relax ang easy.
I was starting to doubt myself na, oh my God, I feel like hindi ko ito mapapanalo.
Relax ang easy.
Kung kami na lang ni AZ natira, doon ko na po talaga nakita yung emotions from AZ.
Handshake.
Yeah.
Sige.
Kasi kilala ko si Josh Kuya, grabing competitive yan. And I know, kaya niya yun ipanalo ko.
Focus on the ball. Focus on the ball. Focus on the ball.
I have a really soft spot para kay AZ. Pero hindi ko gagawing madali. Gusto kong pahirapan siya kahit paano.
Relax lang. Relax lang. Focus on your ball.
Josh, may time sa match na, Josh, please, gumanon po ako. Puro naawa siya sa akin, Kuya.
Nakita ko nanginginig na po siya. I knew na parang, sorry po kuya, alam ko naman na sinabi niyo we have to do our best. Pero at that point, kuya, nandun na ako na nahirapan po ako eh.
I'm sorry. I know he was going easy on me. I hope he doesn't see me as mahina.
Josh, out.
Good job.